Good morning, YouTube. Today, I'm going to show you how to push start a Ferrari.
So are you recording all of the nefarious activities?
If you're new to the channel, my name is Dan, and we're at the Howard, and we're going to push start a Ferrari today because we actually did it in another video, and I didn't really tell you how to do it. And a bunch of people are like, how do you push start a Ferrari? So I'm going to show you how to push start a Ferrari. And real quick before we get started, please like, share, and subscribe, hit the notification bell, and go visit normalguysupercar.com. We do appreciate when you guys do that. It does support the channel. And also, if you're interested in buying one of the cars that we have in our dealership, go check out ngsupercars.com. Send us an email, sales. Well, oh, that was actually someone calling to the dealership. Anyway, so if someone wants to buy a car. This car behind me, this lovely 575, is for sale. So check it out. Again, sales at ngsupercars if you want to hit us up. Also, for those of you that have been bitching that we don't have enough light, okay, look at. We got serious. We got big lights, okay? Hopefully you guys can see me better and see the car better and you stop complaining about the Howard. Anyway, we spent a bunch of money on lights, so we have light. Let there be light. So a question that people have asked is, why is it that you guys did a push start instead of just jump starting the car? And that's because Ferraris are pretty sensitive to getting jump started. We know lots of people who have jump started them and then fried the ECUs or a sensor or something. My personal recommendation is never jump start a Ferrari. Now, it's one thing if you're going to hook up a charger or hook up a tender and then wait for it to charge and then start it, that's fine. But don't do a jump start where you connect it from one car to another car and you have the one car running and then you go, all that stuff. And I think a lot of that's because people screw up and maybe touch the positive to a piece of metal or whatever. There's a lot of reasons not to jumpstart these cars. We're gonna be jumpstarting a car with an F1 transmission. So this would work in most single clutch cars. This will not work on a dual clutch. This will not work on a true automatic. It will work on a single clutch car, and obviously it'll work on a manual transmission car. Okay, so here's the basic procedure to jumpstart a car with the F1 transmission. So the first thing you do is obviously put in your key and turn it to the ignition forward position. If you have one of the older Ferraris that's got the immobilizer, you will obviously have to click on the button for the immobilizer. First, we're gonna push the button. There, we hit the immobilizer, and then we're gonna turn the key forward. Okay, once it's all set, you do have to have enough battery to get the car into neutral. So you have to pull both panels. I can't do that while I'm there. I can't do that while I'm holding the camera. Hold the camera for a second. Okay, look at this. Teamwork makes the dream work. Ready? Go, Helen. Go. Yay, it's in neutral. Okay, we're in neutral. That was awesome. So then obviously take off the parking brake and then have your friend who you dislike the most push the car. And once you get it going about 5 miles an hour, you don't really have to go all that fast, about 5 miles an hour, then while you're driving, you just simply tap the right pedal. And note that it won't go into one while I'm just sitting here. You have to have your foot on the brake. So while it's rolling, it has to be rolling enough for the computers to know it's rolling, and then you tap the pedal and it'll go into gear. That's it. That's it. Yep. And then it starts. Super simple. So we'll do a demonstration of that, and you can see it's very, very easy. Once it starts, it'll stay in one usually. When these cars come to a rolling stop, how it'll disengage the clutch, it'll do that for you generally. So it's pretty easy. Okay, YouTube. We've got the mules in back.
What's up?
And okay, again, we gotta take off the parking brake. Oh, it did. The damn thing opened again.
I hate putting fingerprints on this.
Must be done.
This paint is so nice.
All right, we're gonna push the immobilizer. Got the triangle. Okay. Put in neutral. We're in neutral. Okay, release the brake. Yeah, mules. Yeah.
That mules. I love that he's so humble.
We're at 2 horsepower right now. We're pushing uphill, by the way.
All right, once it gets going a little bit faster, a little bit faster. All right, you guys ready? Here we go. It went straight to 2, but there you go. Easy as that. I'm pretty happy with that. All right, one of you guys want to try it?
Well, we're gonna make fun of Adam.
We do. All right, I'm gonna show you. It's so easy that.
Turn it around so we're going downhill.
Yeah, I'm gonna turn around. I'm gonna show you.
We'll see if this really is easy enough for me.
Pro tip: don't push on the headlights. Push on the metal.
If you've got a ring on, do not put your ring on the car and scratch the paint.
Use your palms.
Use your palms.
Like that?
Yep, you're good.
Yep. Mush.
Release the brake. Yeah, mules. Oh yeah. There you go. Yeah, go for it.
All right.
Yeah, go for it. Neutral. Yep. All right. Yeah, mule. And then gear.
There it is.
Yeah.
Yay! It actually went into second.
Yeah, I did that for me too.
Oh,
I don't know if it's because it gets more torque.
I don't know.
Could be.
All right, well.
That's so dainty.
I know, the little...
I feel so fancy.
That's it. That's all it takes. So this works on, again, any of the single clutch transmission Ferraris. It should work on most single clutch transmission cars. Some of the Lamborghinis, some of the Maseratis. I think there's a couple other BMW, SMG. Those sorts of cars, you can do this. Push, have the key in the run position. You push, get it going a couple miles an hour, and tap the right paddle, and it goes into, well, in this case, it goes into second gear, not one. I don't know why. Maybe they're more torque, whatever. So there you go, second gear. And then it just kind of fires right up. So I would recommend this over jumping your car. So if you have a dead battery, then this would be ideal. Obviously, if the car is in a position where you can't push start it, well, then, you know, I would do a charger, don't do a jump. Whenever possible, do a charger. Please like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Of course, go check out normalguyssupercar.com. We do appreciate you guys support us. And visit ngsupercars.com. You can buy this car and some other cool cars we have. So that's going to do it for this video. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for watching. We're going to be doing a lot of cool car stuff. You're going to want to stay tuned. It's going to be sweet.